Good Wednesday evening, folks. Zach Cross. I'm just finishing up the process here of cooking dinner. I'm currently cooking this in the marinade I showed you earlier on the super tasty chicken. See, that's coming out pretty good. Using my Power XL, technically my ladies Power XL air fryer. We've got the 3 chicken breasts in there. I don't think it's showing up, but I've dribbled some more honey. They've been soaking in that stuff all day. And then what we're going to do is we're going to cook up these fresh green beans from Walmart on top of them after we cook the chicken for a while. Oh, brutal. I put the paper towel on top of the rest of this juice here from the marinade, which I'm going to drizzle over the chicken and the green beans after the chicken cooks the first run in the air fryer.